So I've got a problem. My car runs great, it's got lots of power, but the brakes just feel off. Now they're nice, they do work, they work pretty well. I put a new power booster on there, I've rebuilt the brake pad or the brake calipers and new wheel cylinders on the rear, new brake shoes, new pads. But the problem is my brake booster, when I put it on, there's a little lever in there that when you push on the brake pedal, that little lever moves out and it engages the master cylinder, which pushes all the brake fluid to hit the brakes. Well, that is an adjustment rod and is adjusted a little bit off where I have to put my foot almost all the way to the floor to get the brakes to engage. They work, but it's a little unnerving. So we're going to work on that today. Here we go. So what we have down here is where the master cylinder connects to the brake booster. There's a little rod that's inside the brake booster that just kind of moves this direction. It doesn't move very much, and I've tried fine-tuning it before and it's just fiddly, but we're going to do it again today, so stand by. Okay, so let's zoom you out a little bit, sorry guys, moved you in too close. So I took off the two nuts rather. They go onto these mounting plates, and there's this adapter. And this right here, let's see if we can focus on. No, we're not going to focus on it, it's too dark in there. Anyway, this right here is the adjustment lever, and it needs to be moved out just a hair. So let's see if we can get that done. So this is a little adjustment rod, and this little bit goes into the booster. This is the stop, this is the lock, and then this part that sticks out pushes in to the master cylinder. Alright, now the trial and error begins. Put this back on, tighten it down, and see how everything goes. Okay, we're back inside the car. Now the pedal, before the car is turned on, certainly stops earlier. So let's see what happens. That certainly feels better. Only way to tell for sure is a test drive. So here we go. Hey everybody, as I'm sitting here editing the video, I realized I never did a wrap-up on that video. So the bottom line, the adjustment helped, but it still stops a little bit low, so another adjustment's going to be needed. I think I might need to actually buy a longer adjustment rod, so off to Home Depot at some point and I'll get that fixed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.